Industrial mills. Types, applications, and performance benefits. This video will take an in-depth look at types of mills. Here's what you'll learn. Principles of mills. Categories of mills. Types of mills. Applications and benefits of mills. And much more. Chapter 1. What are the key principles of mills? What is a mill? Chapter 2. What are the main components of an industrial mill? Shell. Flanges. Shell liners. The following are common liner types used in industrial milling. AC Lorraine shell liners. Wave ball mill shell liners. Wedge shell mill liners. Mill spiral shell liners. Heads. Pinion shaft. Mill drive. Mill feed chutes. Key feeder types include spout feeder, scoop feeder, drum feeder, combination feeder, discharge unit. Common discharge patterns include overflow discharge mill, peripheral discharge mill, diaphragm discharge mill, industrial mill grinding media. Metallic grinding media. Non-metallic grinding media. Chapter 3. What are the different types of industrial mills? Conical mills. Hammer mills. Fine cut mills. Coarse cut mills. Grinding mills. Frequently asked questions. What are the key components of an industrial mill? How do different industrial mills achieve particle size reduction? What are the main types of liners used in industrial mills? How is grinding media selected for different milling applications? How do feed chutes and discharge mechanisms affect mill performance? Which industries commonly utilize grinding and cutting mills? Chapter 4. What are the various types of milling? Wet grinding mills. Rotor stator wet milling. Benefits of rotor stator wet milling. Ball mills. Tube mills. Rod mills. Pebble mills. Great discharge mills. Air-swept mills. Mixing versus milling. Chapter 5. What are the applications and benefits of mills? Applications of mills. Powder production. Legume, food, and grain production. Material size reduction. Increasing the rate of the dissolving process. Mixing solid, dry, and fibrous materials. Enhancing ingredient reactivity. Facilitating recycling and scrapping. Advantages of milling machines. Drawbacks of milling machines. Maintenance of milling machines. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right industrial mill manufacturers for your needs.